Man, the west is so dark, it's like unbelievable right now. Really? You're right, that does look like a wall climb through the west. This is, man. Yeah, I'm seeing it. I have to keep backing. I'm still backing up, and this thing is insane. It's huge. Now I see those Mamadas clouds you're talking about. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that lowering right there to like the direct west. Yeah, it looks like it could be right over you. That looks really scary, man. I got it right in the middle of my camera right now. What happened? Getting ready to cross into Wayne County here. In a few minutes it should be right over my house, according to Nathan, who I am on the phone with right now. That is insanely dark. I've not seen clouds this dark in a while. Yeah, they do look a little green to the southwest. I'm backing up even further into the road. You're getting wind now? Man, this is nuts. Look at those Mamadas and all that lowering. There's a lowering right there too. Could just be scud though. This thing is moving fast, really fast. It sounds like it. Look at that. I will. What? Okay, Nathan's reporting shingles flying off houses right now, and I'm going to get it in a few minutes, and that really looks like rotation. I am about to get straight line wind, and it's starting to rain now. I'm not going to have much time to get inside. This is nuts. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning until 8:30, and right now it's like 7:45. Oh my gosh. Dude, these clouds. I can't get over them. I still don't have much wind right now. It's just now starting to pick up. Is it pouring over there? Or, no, it's not pouring? Okay. Well, the winds are starting to come on. Here they come. Nathan only lives a few miles to the west of me. I can hear it. We're about to get hit hard. Hope my shingles don't fly off. Look at that. To the east. Yeah, I saw that to the east or west southwest. Somebody's barbecuing. I can smell it. It's really strong too. Man, charcoal, really strong. Oh, great. It's heavy. Big drops. Here's that wind. There's leaves flying everywhere. Yeah, I'm getting the wind now. It's not. Oh, there. Okay, there it is. There it is. Oh God. Woo! Man, that would really pick up. The limbs on that tree are going nuts. Man, thunder. I have to get blown over. Yeah. Standing outside. Yeah, it's like straight line winds right now. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that was upside down when I got home. It was already upside down when I got home. I don't know. Maybe. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Bye. Well, now there's nobody on the phone. I'll try to call him back. Alright. I have no idea. I think my mom tried to call him. My mom was calling. It doesn't take 3 calls. Oh! Whoa! I'm guessing you saw that. I can hear sirens to the south. And that was some pretty bright light. I was facing the wrong direction, but I saw that flash. Man, these clouds are so messed up. Are you serious? Okay, that's messed up. Those are sirens. They're powering down. Sirens just powered down to the south. Yeah. And it's not Cambridge City sirens. Okay, Nathan and his family just told me that the storm isn't even in Wayne County itself. Just the clouds. Yeah. I can't believe it. It was I wonder whose sirens I'm hearing. I was talking about tornado siren, by the way. I hear ambulance on your end. These clouds are amazing. I'm about to start part 2 in about 30 seconds. Yeah, I heard you saying that. Going nuts. There's a weird formation to the southwest. Which way? Southwest. That's the way I actually just started facing.